welcome back to my channel. I'm still wearing the same outfit I was wearing in my Try Beauty unboxing. But this video, I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box, my April BoxyCharm box. I did bring my scale right here. I'm going to weigh my box, so let's go. My box weighs 8.844. Let's try again. Always weigh twice. 0.848. 8.848. So my box weighs 8. I wish it weighed 8 pounds. 0.848 pounds. So I'm going to put that away. And for those of you that don't know, while I open up my box, or slide the thing open, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It costs $21. They did just start charging tax for certain states. They do have on their website, they do have a list of all the states. They're not in alphabetical order yet. I do hope that they at some point in time do. But yeah, thanks to the government, they just passed the law that out-of-state shippers need to charge tax. So it for $3 extra or so, it's what my tax is. I'm still not paying for shipping, so praise God for that. So here's what the box looks like. You open it up, it says Hello Charmers, and then you open it up and you've got the pamphlet for this month. I'm going to set this over here. And this is what this month is. Peace, Love, and Boxy. And it's got a bunch of cactuses on it. I would have thought they would have had something more to do with like the festivals or concert season, because that's what we have going on out here at Coachella and Stagecoach near the end of the month. But it does have a list of all the products and the prices on the back. So, and a little bit about what the products are. So let's get started. The first item I see in here is an item that I'm happy to see in here, because a couple months ago this was one of the variants in the box, and I was so disappointed I didn't get this, because I wanted to try Hank and Henry. I really wanted to try this lipstick. I'm so grateful it's here. I like their packaging. It looks really cute. I like the fact that it looks like it's actually a bulleted lipstick, but it's not. What's the shade? This is the shade Petal Pusher. It's a matte liquid lipstick. That's what I mean. This is a liquid lipstick. It opens up like this. You would think it would pull off, but look. Looks like that. It has a totally different type of an applicator than other brands. So let's put this on. Ooh, I like it. It's kind of moussey. I liked that. That went on so smooth. And look at that color. Oh, perfect shade. Oh, I love you, Hank and Henry. $17. I'd buy this in a heartbeat. And what does it say? Have your cake and wear it too. You better believe it. Here's what the packaging looks like. This frosting scented. I didn't smell frosting. Oh, yes. Now I smell like what smells like vanilla frosting. Okay. I could do without the scented, but whatever. The frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips. We'll see. Because some of those matte lipsticks that dry down, they do dry out your lips, and I've got to keep applying lip balm or a gloss or something to keep my lips, and it's supposed to not transfer. Okay, we're gonna keep it on throughout the duration of this video, so we will see. The next item, oh, and it's $17. As I said, for $17, heck yes, girl would buy this. Next item in the box is by, what is this? Butter London. It's their Power Up Mascara. Looks like that. It's just a black. Hi everybody, I don't know what happened there, but my camera stopped filming, so we'll start again. Here's the Butter London mascara. It says experience length, definition, and curl retention featuring all day wear. With this first swipe, the unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and more defined lashes. A second swipe adds thickness and volume without clumping. The soft and creamy formula is infused with hydrating jojoba extract and water-resistant polymers to reduce smudging, flaking for a full 8-hour wear. Okay, well, I'm going to have to set this aside. I still have, I think, 2 or 3 tubes of other mascara that I need to try. And this costs $20, and this looks like a pretty big size. What shade is this? Power Black. So, you know, it's just a mascara. I will give a fuller review on this at a later time, maybe when I use all of it. The next item in the box that I'm seeing is by Artist Couture. It's their Diamond Glow Powder. It's a loose powder highlighter. I've never really used, here's what the box looks like. I've never used a loose powder for highlighter. Normally everything I use is already pressed. So let's see, what's the shade? Does it tell me what the shade is? No. Alright, so what shade is this? It's in Summer Haze. It looks a little kind of golden here in the tin. I don't know if I want to open it. I mean, Jen had the hardest time opening hers. She had to get her husband to open it, and I don't have one of those around here. I can't even get this plastic thing to move. See, I'm having the same problem. Oh, man. How does this thing come off? Where the heck does it go? Come on, come on, come on. I like the fact that it's got a sifter here that will close on itself, but the fact that I can't, I don't have a man around here, so I can't go to my neighbors and say, hey, can you open up my thing of makeup just so that I can use it? It shouldn't be this difficult. Okay, maybe the more I use it, the easier it'll open. I don't know. I will link Jen's video down below because she actually, I think, eventually gets it open. Her husband opens it for her. But to me, this is a bust. I can't even open it. Anyway, what does it tell me about it? So you can look at the pretty packaging here. What does it say? Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlighting. Okay, starting at free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. Well, if I could get it open, I would definitely put this on my body. You know, when you're going out on the town, you want to give your body a little bit of like a, you know, glow. With the first, well, that's the mascara. This versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. It's $27. All right, let's give it one more try. This isn't budging. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to, I don't know. Oh, there it goes. It's moving. It's moving. Okay, so what does it look like? Tap, tap, tap. No! It's not coming out. Okay. Well, how are you supposed to use it? My other tap things like that, you're supposed to tap it. Is there a film? Oy vey. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out later. I'd be sitting here the whole video with that. Next item is something I love, brushes. It's their Luxie Brushes Summer Days brush set. It's 3 brushes. It costs $28. It is curated for the perfect festival look. It looks like this. Let me get them out of the package. So what is it? It says, use the Luxie 512. Let's see. Let me get them out of here. Ooh, these are nice. They're nice and soft. Use the Luxie. Here's the 512 that they're calling a small contour brush that you could probably use for contouring or for highlight. I mean, if you wanted to, you could try putting face powder all over your face. I mean, it's a little small for that, but you could totally use this to sculpt and define your cheekbones, or yeah. The next brush is the 245. That's this one. It's a flat brush. Use this. They're calling this a small shader brush, which is perfect to pat your shadow on or glitter. And then this one is a shader brush, but it's flat. If you look at it, notice it's kind of flat. Used to pat on and blend out an eye look. I said use this to pat on your shadow. But both of these are, let me put the card down. Both of these are very flat if you look at them. It's just this one's a, get them in the frame, Terry. This one is more bushy, or more, has more bristles to it. See, they're calling them both shader brushes, but this is a small one and this is, so here's the 3 brushes. I like it. They've got a nice gold right here, and then they've got this ombre look right here, from going from yellow to pink. I like their brushes. They're really nice. They're nice and soft. This actually is pretty dense, a little bit on the dense side, not fully dense, but you can use it nice. All right, let me put that down. That I said was $28 for 3 brushes. That's a pretty good price. And the last item in the box is the item I knew was in here that I was waiting for. It's the Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. It looks like this. And here's the back of it. It looks like that. It shows you all the colors. Let's open her up. We've gotten Pure in the Boxy before, or in some box I got a Pure. I think we got a face palette from Pure once before, didn't we? I think so. Let's open her up. Come on, glue. So what does it say about this palette? This palette costs $36. Unleash the ultimate festival vibe with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. Please don't have a problem getting out of here. All right, finally. So it still looks like the same, like those sunglasses, wearing sunglasses, and then it's got the Ferris wheel and the thing on the back. You open it up, it's got a nice size mirror right here, and then yeah, we got Pure once before. Here's all the shades. Give you a glare. Let me take this sheet off. If you want to keep the sheet on, keep it glued on one side, and then here's all the shades so you can look at them. Got some glitter shades, got some pressed You got metallics, you've got glitter, and then you've got some matte shades. So let's see. What is calling out to me? 24 karat magic. Oh, that's the glitter. So you might have to get a glitter glue for that one. And how about fireworks? That one has kind of this reddish. That one's actually nicer than this 24 karat magic. I'm having a hard time keeping them on my finger. So let's go right here with them. Oh, I like that red one. Look at that. And then let's look at Free Spirit right here, and then Psychedelic, which is that one. Those are those two shades. Put them right next to these. See, I like these darker colors. These lighter ones, Free Spirit, I guess, would be really good for. I like that red glitter. That looks so, oh. How about, I have one finger left. How about that purple? I'm getting, what does that look like? They're very pigmented. I might have to do a full review at a later date and time. There's that one. Yeah, alrighty. I actually like this palette. The last palette, was it in this box? Yes, it was my Boxy Luck. That MAC palette, I don't know. Oh wait, there's something still in the box. Oh, I didn't know we were getting this. We got Pure Endurance Eyeshadow Primer, Get a Grip. It looks like that. I didn't know we were getting that in here. Awesome. I love it when they give me a freebie. So I'm going to put this back in the box, but this palette to me is better than that MAC palette that I got last month. With all those oranges, I still haven't figured out what to do with that palette. If anyone has any ideas or someone wants to trade with me, please let me know down in the comments. I like this palette. I will give a full review on it at a later date and time if you let me know that down in the comments. I can do a look with it. I won't do it on camera. I haven't perfected that yet, but I will work on that for you. And I will work on this at a later date and time. But I like this box. I like the palette. And if all I got out of this box that I like, it would make it worth it. Granted, this is $17 and I paid $21, but oh, I also got my brushes. So this is $28, this is $17. So I feel like I got my money's worth out of this box. I think they can take that. I'm not really too into these highlighters, but I do like this palette. I do like those glitters. May have to get me some glitter glue to see if that'll help hold it down. But I hope you all are having a great evening. Please let me know down in the comments. Did you get the same items as me? Did you, are we Boxy twins? What do you think of these items? If you want me to give a more depth review or review anything else or have any other ideas, please let me know down in the comments below. So let's test out my lipstick. It has been, it's only been 13 minutes. It should have been able to dry down. So let's kiss the arm. Let's try it. It's probably not dry yet. It transferred over. I mean, it is drying down and it's not uncomfortable, but we'll see. Maybe I'll review this at a later date and time because right now it's not fully dry yet. So hope y'all are having a great evening and look forward to my next video, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.